Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and here we can tap to settings to open the camera settings with watermarks at the first space, so let's tap on them. Now from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. Let me keep it turned on. We have short preview how the watermarks now looks like. So we have OPPO Reno 6 5G device watermark with the date and time and the location. So let's start managing this with author name. So here we can add our own watermark, for example HardReset. From the right we have to tap to save this, and here in the first line next to the device watermark we can have now HardReset. Let's move to Watermark Information. We can turn them on and off by using the buttons from the right, so we can decide how they look like in the preview and in our picture, but we have to save at least one of them. Or we can tap to 2 or 3 at the same time. Let's move to size. We can pick between small, default and large. So also the preview is changing now. Let me pick large now and move to Watermark Position so we can decide where we want to have our watermarks at the picture, from upper left to lower left, then center, upper right and lower right. So let me keep this, for example, on center here with large option, and let me keep turn it on all of them to see them at the real picture. Let's go back to the camera and take a photo. To see it we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. We have to agree and continue to gallery options, and this is how the picture looks like with watermarks at the center. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to the camera, then to right corner settings, to watermarks, and manage this as we need or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.